The Tesla Model S is Tesla CEO Elon Musk's favorite vehicle in the lineup. If that doesn't entice you, are you still driving gas-powered trucks? Or are you in the market for a new electric truck? The Cybertruck may look futuristic, like something out of a science fiction film, but it's also a profitable product that the EV market has been waiting for a while. Let's see if the Cybertruck will change the course of events for Tesla stocks. In a 2019 reveal, Musk unveiled the Cybertruck, a vehicle with seemingly unbreakable armor glass windows that was cracked by the developer. 3 times in the past, the company has pushed back the start of production from late 2021 to late 2022, early 2023, and most likely to mid-2023 manufacturing. With the launch of the Cybertruck, Tesla will have an electric vehicle, EV, in one of the most lucrative markets in the United States, and a rival to Ford Motor Company's and Rivian Automotive's established models, which are still available in limited quantities. Musk stated in January that insufficient sourcing would force the Cybertruck to launch in 2023, but in May, Tesla's East is now taking orders for the Cybertruck. Beyond North America, Musk disclosed that the company had received more orders for its previous Cybertrucks than it could fill for 3 years following the start of production. Manufacturers frequently ramp up production gradually for a brand new vehicle, such as the Cybertruck. Additionally, detractors have cautioned that Tesla's sales, which have so far allowed it to trade every vehicle it produces, may be negatively impacted by a deteriorating global trend. Musk predicted that a recession would not end until the spring of 2024. Hydra Group. Die-casting components for the Cybertruck will be provided by the Italian company that makes the Gigapress, as stated in a post about a 9,000-ton truck machine. While a portion of the production was loaded and prepared for delivery, the post did not endorse Tesla. The Gigapress has been used by Tesla to reduce the cost and complexity of producing its Model Y Tesla. When the electric vehicle manufacturer revealed its choices for Cybertrucks, shares shot up. Traders are placing bets that even if the session ended in the red, the surge will accelerate even farther. With a 74% increase in the last 6 months, Tesla has entered positive territory for the year and is getting close to all-time highs not seen since last December. The market is projecting that Tesla shares will rise by roughly 3.7% between now and the close optimized advisors. That is a larger range than the stock has seen during the prior several trading days, with over 10,000 of those traded, according to President Michael Calendar. Buyers of those calls, at an average price of roughly $5, are clearly wagering that the stock will climb beyond the $360 strike price by at least the $5 they paid. However, it's not simply the enigmatic intrigue of a new product with possibilities. Traders, there's a reason why the craze for this specific new car could be justified among other possibilities. Light-duty truck sales seem to be the one area that might propel Tesla shares higher or lower, according to traders and supporters of Elon Musk's carmaker. This is Sierra Decals, and it's undoubtedly the most profitable sector in the U.S. auto industry. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has made a number of promises recently, such as building the much-anticipated Cybertruck and replacing Twitter's top executive. Investors will probably have to wait until Musk can reveal his strategy to boost sales for the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla. Bull. Black believes that Tesla will make Cybertruck deliveries in late 2023 and estimates 10,000 truck deliveries as part of his overall 1.9 million delivery estimate for 2023. Tesla shares were up about 2% when last registered. Musk has stated that after years of waiting, the Cybertruck production may finally be completed and vehicles might be offered for sale to customers by the middle or end of 2023. Production at the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas, is set to begin in June. Franz von Holzhausen, the main vehicle designer, has just disclosed a few details about the Cybertruck and promises some exciting surprises. In response to a question on The Ride, the Lightning podcast with Ryan McCaffrey, Musk, Van Holtzhausen reassures admirers of the Cybertruck that the design is complete. Revealed the electric pickup prototype on November 24, 2019 at a promotional event in Los Angeles. The Tesla Cybertruck promises a maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, an electric range of up to 500 miles, and a base pricing of less than $40,000. Since its $44 billion acquisition of Twitter, investors want the billionaire to concentrate on growing sales for the electric vehicle company Tesla. Musk said in 2022 that he would resign as CEO of Twitter when he finds a replacement. 5 days after the vehicle's unveiling, Musk said that Tesla had already received at least 187,000 orders for the Cybertruck. Black's Future Fund ETF, which was launched in August 2021, includes 9.2% of Tesla as of January 17th. The EV maker had a terrible fourth quarter, according to Black, due to Twitter noise and low production output from its factory in China. Black would like to know, and will announce a CEO for Twitter Block Status Future Fund ETF. Black bought more shares of Tesla last week at a price of $105 a share, but he did not disclose the number of shares. Black claimed that the brand of Tesla has not suffered focus only on Twitter. Musk stated that he didn't want his brand to be impacted by his more right-leaning views after taking the company private in October when Tesla's favorability dropped. He claimed that Elon is a smart guy and learned to stop tweeting more conservative views. This is especially true if your consumer base is overly indexed to Democrats who support climate change, as it irritates them, according to Reuters. The CEO of Tesla in China, Tom Zhu, who is well acclaimed and has developed a successful business in China, was promoted to oversee the EV maker's U.S. production plant and sales activities in Europe and North America. It will be interesting to watch how Zhu manages the U.S. business. Tesla failed to deliver in 2022. Target and Musk have drastically lowered the costs of their two flagship products, the Model Y SUV and the entry-level Model 3 sedan, which will account for 95% of their deliveries in 2022. The price reductions range from 6% to 20%, and both models will be eligible for the new $7,500 U.S. federal tax credit. Black stated that they had to take action to gain volume growth, even if the price cuts would have a short-term negative impact on profit margins. He noted that it's difficult to say whether the price cuts were required or not. Black stated that cuts in the United States and China have the fingerprints of Zhu. Assuming he can continue in the United States, Zhu's position as Tesla's second most prominent executive is advantageous for the business. Musk should concentrate on Tesla, as its stock price fell by 65% last year, and in 2022, the company generated $9 billion in free cash flow. Data demonstrating that the Twitter deal did not negatively impact Tesla's brand could increase the company's valuation, according to Black, who has set a price target of $370 in 12 months. This would also provide insight into whether Tesla will build gigafactories in Mexico or other countries to boost sales. If the company wants to sell 10 million vehicles annually by 2030, it will need to build 10 gigafactories, each producing 1 million vehicles, as the Fremont plant currently produces only 600,000 vehicles annually, while the factories in Berlin and Austin manufacture 250,000 vehicles each. If 5,000 Tesla Mega Packs or battery storage units were sold for 50 cents each share, he claimed, the company could make an extra $2 billion USD a year. Mega Packs are meant to be supplied to utilities, and Lathrop, California's manufacturing facilities went online in the third quarter. Tesla's shares fell as much as 8% as investors seemed dissatisfied with Elon Musk's lack of information regarding the upcoming models, particularly his earlier declaration that the company wants to build a car that costs $25,000. Due to investors' ambivalent response to Musk's remarks, the firm saw roughly $50 billion removed from its market capitalization. These remarks were made by Morgan Stanley critic Adam Jonas. Considering this, Jonas believes that expectations may be too high, but he also believes that the company's market cap is approximately 10 times higher and its annual unit volume is more than 5 times what it was back then. Additionally, at that time, Tesla had only started to report positive GAAP profits and was still ramping up at the Shanghai facility, which completely changed the business's manufacturing economics. Given that the Cybertruck has no Tesla logo anywhere on its outside, it might be considered more of a financial sideshow to the current Tesla narrative. Comment below if you're keen to invest in Tesla stock or if you're waiting to see how things will change after the Cybertruck. Jonas calls the Cybertruck the greatest avant-garde vehicle and says it's an essential part of Tesla's futuristic brand image. However, he just does not acknowledge it has mass market pull. What will happen to Tesla with the launch of the Cybertruck while the company rises more success? Or is the hike just going to be a call for disaster? Until then, goodbye.